What do your walls say about your business? Do they speak to your company's values and show you prioritize well-being and mental health for all staff? For Mindshaping Art is more than just good aesthetics. It's a visual pathway to delivering positive messages, using intentional artwork as a visual cue to replace negative thoughts with positive mental images. As each artwork collection is coupled with its own meditation to help reduce stress, burnout, strengthen interpersonal bonds, and build a sense of trust, providing an internal wellness program on your walls with a clear message that each person is supported and appreciated. Contact us today and transform your workplace by renting Mindshaping Art. Let art speak volumes about your business.